Stress ka dahil sa acne, kulubot na balat, pagtanda dahil sa edad, ikaw ay 25 years old ngunit mukhang 35 years old? Huwag mag-alala, ngayon ay mayroon kaming solusyon para sa inyo. Higit sa 3 milyong kababaihang Pilipina ang gumagamit nito at natulungan silang mabawi ang kanilang kabataang mukha. 10 years na mas bata, salamat sa Bakuchiol Retinol Rejuvenation Serum. 2 to 3 drops lang sa isang araw. Hindi lang matambok ang balat, kundi nakakabawas din ng dark spots at ng acne at lalong mabilis pumuti. No need to go to expensive spas. No need to inject Botox, filler, pero makinis at maputi pa rin ang balat. Lahat ay salamat sa Bakuchiol Retinol Serum. Patuloy ang promosyon. Pumili ngayon para matanggap ang promosyon. Ang Bakuchiol Retinol Serum ay gisingin ang iyong nakatagong kagandahan.
People wants result right away. So we made this product that people can see results immediately. So you will have amazingly bright and light skin in just one night. And you'll be excited how your skin will look.
Yes, I've heard from my cousins in the US, but when I saw Miss O in her live video in Facebook, that was the time I'm so convinced to try the products. And nung na-try ko na yung products in just 3 days, gumanda talaga skin ko and sobrang nagustuhan ko yung products and dun I start to sell.
I'm so happy kasi nakita ko agad yung result after a month kasi yung face ko dito, may dark spot, nawala siya. Kasi long time problem ko na yun.
Just 1 peso a day, Bakuchiol Retinol Rejuvenation Serum has helped millions of Filipino women regain smooth white skin in their 20s, get rid of aging and dark spots without going to the spa or expensive cosmetics. According to research by the Korean Dermatology Institute, Bakuchiol is a super powerful antioxidant, has the effect of repelling aging, improving skin 5 times more effectively than DHC collagen and Shiseido collagen. Combined with ideal retinol content, this product supplements vitamin E, C to help skin stay elastic, moisturized, and reduce wrinkles, repelling aging. Rejuvenate more than 10 years after just 2 weeks. Super benign and safe for even sensitive skin. If you want to be youthful and beautiful, you can't miss it.
Will have amazingly bright and light skin in just one night. So I formulated my own products. I did a lot of research. It has to be very potent. It has to be result driven. I want my clients to understand yung importance of self-care. Our Vitamin C Lilac Stem Cell Serum. The reason why I want to talk to you about this because this is a very powerful antioxidant product and also an anti-aging. Yung emulsion ng ascorbic acid dito sa vitamin C is very powerful to help rejuvenate your skin. And also, ang kagandahan din nito, meron din itong hyaluronic acid. Alam niyo, nilalagay natin sa fillers. Kunwari, gustong injekan yung cheeks ninyo. Ang ingredient po doon ay hyaluronic acid at meron po itong product na to. Can you imagine what this can do to your skin? It will also help preserve the youthfulness in you. And also, it will prevent the premature aging para hindi madaling magsag yung skin and also hindi madaling mag-age. This is the perfect product.
Imagine scrubbing it with an apricot scrub. Idea if other people's skin can handle morning and evening scrub.
Engken Gunahin Espisal Anti-Sun Cap sa Anti-Aging Serum and Producto ay isang kombinasyon ng Bakuchiol at Retinol NH Mutualon and Pasiglahin ang produksyon NG Collagen, bawasan ang MJ wrinkles, hold it firm skin. Tumutulong sa pag-alis NG NGA Pate NA Salula, pagtatagyod NG Pagbabagong, bahay NG Balat at Pagbalawanag NG Kulay NG Balat,